Hello everyone, welcome to Coinbase Global YouTube channel. Today I'll show you guys about the SoRare. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And let's just jump on to our video. Before we create our account, I just wanted to show you guys some news about the company and about the SoRare funding system. So as you see, blockchain-based fantasy soccer platform SoRare to raise $532 million in funding, and the NFT company's valuation could exceed $3.8 billion. This company has $3.8 billion valuation and doesn't have a native token. So this means in the future there's a possibility that they will create a native token and they will give out airdrops as a reward to early users. So I suggest you to create your account and start playing, at least buying one card. As I said, in the future they might create a native token and they might give out airdrops as a reward to early users. So this was one of the news. And this is one of the biggest news. As you see, Ethereum layer 2 developer StockRare raises 50 million and now valued at $2 billion. And our project SoRare uses this StockRare's Ethereum scaling engine. So this project might blast one day, and I hope you're watching this video before it blasted and you can just catch on this opportunity. And after the news, let's get right into our video and start by creating our account. So we can either register with our email, nickname and password, or we can use Google and Facebook. Well, for the video, I will use an email, nickname and password, but you can use Google and Facebook. So we create our account, and these are my nicknames, C Mühendisi Global and C Mühendisi Global FC. We can choose different club badges, and you can, if you want, you can upload an image for your club. And after that, we should choose our favorite clubs because the game wants to show us our favorite players from these teams. So let's just choose our favorite clubs. So I chose my favorite clubs, and let's move on. So it gives us different packs because we've completed to creating our account and choosing our favorite team. So let's just open these packs. Let's just click on reveal all. And as you see, these are my gift players. Let's just click next. So in SoRare, there are multiple competitions in SoRare, each with their own entry criteria. Here are 3 examples. As you see, Global All-Star, Global Under 23, and Champion Europe. So there are different competitions in SoRare, as you see. And there's a leaderboard, and these are the rewards. As you see, the first one gets this 1x star rare. The second one gets this, and these are the worth. We'll be talking about these cards and their worth in next stages of our video. So let's enter a team. After we complete each step, it gives us a new pack to open, and let's just open this pack. As you see, it gave us 5 different cards now. Reveal all, and these are my gift cards. Now we can create our team. So let's just create our team with the cards that the game gave us because we completed the first steps. So we created our team, and let's confirm my team. So as you see, there are different player card ranks. They're limited, rare, super rare, and unique. And it says it talks about how rare they are. As you see, unique has 1 per player, super rare has 10 per player, 100 per player, and 1000 per player. So they will decide about the price, how rare it is, and how valuable the player is. And we can even follow our favorite players to see their cards, and maybe we can buy their cards on a sale, or maybe some other player selling it for a good price, and we can follow these players to get updates about their cards and their new prices. So there are different players for different prices. They're on sale right now, and as you see right here, it tells us when this bid is gonna end, and as we can see how many bids each player has. This one, for example, has 7 bids. This one has 6 bids, and after they complete the sale, they show who bought this card, as you see. So as we mentioned before, there are 4 different levels for each players. So these are the unique cards, and as we mentioned earlier in the video, each player has 1 unique card for themselves, so they're so precious. And as you see, nearly all of the players has a value over 500 euros, and they have at least 3 bits, as you see. So they're precious. If you find a unique card for a cheap price, I suggest you to buy it. And we can see different game results, as you see, as all matches, and we can change the date by clicking this arrow, and we can see different outcomes from the different games, as you see. So you need to have a MetaMask wallet to be able to buy players and bid on players, and we have a tutorial video for you guys to show you how you can set up your MetaMask wallet and how to add different networks to your MetaMask wallet. I suggest you to check that video out. And by clicking this icon, as you see, we can connect our MetaMask wallet to our SoRare account if you want to buy players and if you want to bid on players. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.